use to open this up. Okay, well, I don't have to do research on it. It just sort of came to me accidentally. Could have been bad though. Could have been bad. So, okay. What do you guys think so far? Does this look good to you guys? And do you think that this has a separate battery just for itself? We'll just have to see. Anyway, the good thing is I haven't destroyed it yet, so that is a definite positive. And we're just going to leave you there with that because I want to win for once. Ugh. So yeah, this was the Radio Master Zorro, and could use a good dueling blade. Forged in fire.
Likey.